14 things cabin stewards secretly hate that cruise passengers do. They smile, they greet you by name, and they make your bed with towel animals that melt your heart. But behind those polite smiles, cruise ship cabin stewards are hiding the truth. There are things they secretly can't stand about passengers. From careless messes to cringeworthy habits, these are the 14 things that drive them absolutely crazy, and chances are, you've done at least one of them without even knowing it. Number 1. Leaving wet towels on the floor. It might seem harmless, just a couple of wet towels tossed aside after a shower, right? But to cabin stewards, it's a daily frustration. Wet towels on the floor create slippery hazards, soak into the carpet, and make their job twice as hard. Not only do they have to lift heavy, dripping fabric, but they also risk injury or mold buildup in your cabin. Worse, when towels are tossed everywhere, it sends a silent message. You clean this, I don't care. It's not just inconsiderate. It's one of the most common signs of a guest who treats the room like a dumping ground. Number 2. Ignoring the makeup room sign system. Cabin stewards run on a tight schedule, and that little door hanger is their only signal for when it's safe to clean your room. But some passengers forget to use it, leave it hanging all day, or worse, flip it back and forth constantly. This throws off the entire cleaning routine, forcing stewards to circle back again and again, wasting precious time. It's like playing a guessing game all day long, and when they're responsible for cleaning up to 20 cabins in just a few hours, every wasted minute adds stress. All because someone didn't flip a simple sign. Number 3. Treating them like personal butlers. Cruise ship stewards are there to keep your cabin clean and comfortable, but some passengers take that way too far. From asking them to iron clothes, fetch food, run errands, or even unpack luggage, certain guests treat them like full-time personal assistants. The truth is, they're not trained for that, and it's not in their job description. These over-the-top requests slow them down, pile on extra pressure, and often put them behind schedule for other cabins. Behind the scenes, stewards talk about these guests, the ones who treat cruise staff like they're hired help at a private estate. And yes, they remember you. Number 4. Being in the room while they're cleaning. It might feel harmless to stay in your cabin while the steward cleans, but for them, it's one of the most awkward parts of the job. Imagine trying to make a bed while someone's sitting on it, or vacuum around someone scrolling on their phone. Every move feels watched. Every second, slower. Most stewards would never say it out loud, but having guests linger while they work is uncomfortable and intrusive. It turns a quick 10-minute clean into a tense, drawn-out experience. And the worst part? Some guests even try to chat the whole time, not realizing they're falling behind schedule with every word. Number 5. Leaving out embarrassing items. Cabin stewards have seen it all, and some of it, they wish they hadn't. From personal hygiene products left wide open on the counter to intimate toys casually tossed on the bed, some passengers seem to forget that a real person is coming into their space every day. It's not just awkward, it's uncomfortable. Stewards are professionals, but they're also human. When they walk into a room and are greeted by a full display of private items, it turns a normal cleaning task into an embarrassing moment they can't unsee. And no, they don't want to touch it even with gloves. Number 6. Not tipping or only tipping at the end. While tipping policies may vary by cruise line, one truth remains. Cabin stewards rely on tips to make a living. But some passengers skip it entirely or wait until the last day, if at all, expecting top-notch service without ever showing appreciation. Imagine working long hours, remembering names, preferences, and special requests, only to be handed nothing. Or worse, a forced smile and a thanks as the guest walks off the ship. Even a small tip early in the trip can go a long way. It's a sign of respect, and yes, it often results in even better service. When guests don't tip, stewards remember, and not in a good way. Number 7. Expecting daily towel animals. Towel animals are fun, adorable, and one of the most memorable parts of a cruise for many passengers. But they're also extra work. Some guests treat them like a daily rite, and when one doesn't show up, they complain or even confront the steward. What many don't realize is that towel animals aren't always guaranteed. On some ships, They're limited to certain days or only done when time allows. Stewards love making your cruise magical, but when they're expected to fold zoo-level masterpieces every night on top of everything else, it becomes more of a burden than a joy. What was meant as a sweet surprise turns into a stressful obligation. Number 8. Complaining about things they can't control. The Wi-Fi's slow. The air conditioner isn't cold enough. The neighbors are noisy. And somehow the cabin steward gets blamed. It's one of the biggest frustrations they face, being the target for problems completely out of their hands. They don't control the internet, they can't fix plumbing, and they certainly can't force your next-door neighbor to stop snoring. But passengers still unload their anger on them like they're customer service reps for the entire ship. Behind closed doors, stewards vent about these moments the most, not because they're unwilling to help, but because no one likes being blamed for things they literally can't fix. Number 9. Taking advantage of the minibar. To some passengers, the minibar is just another playground. They move items around, stash their own drinks in it, or help themselves without keeping track. But for cabin stewards, it's a nightmare. Every item in that tiny fridge is inventoried down to the last can, and when things are shuffled or go missing, it creates confusion, paperwork, and often leads to guests disputing charges later. Some even try to game the system by taking drinks, replacing them with off-brand versions, or hiding them under towels. It's petty, it's obvious, and yes, stewards notice. What looks like a harmless swap to you becomes a headache for the entire housekeeping team. Number 10. Not flushing properly. It's the part of the job no one talks about, but every steward dreads. Unflushed toilets, clogged bowls, and, let's just say, surprises left behind. It happens more often than you'd think, and it's not just gross, it's deeply disrespectful. Cruise ship plumbing is delicate, and when passengers ignore basic toilet etiquette, it creates nasty cleanup jobs that no one should have to deal with. Some guests even try to flush things that absolutely shouldn't go down, like wipes or sanitary products, leading to backups and foul smells. Stewards won't say it to your face, but behind closed doors? This is the kind of mess that ruins their entire day. Number 11. Spilling food and not reporting it. Room service feels like a luxury until something spills and no one says a word. Stewards often walk into cabins only to find ketchup smeared on the carpet, soda soaked into the couch, or plates of half-eaten food left balancing on furniture. When spills aren't reported right away, they stain, smell, and sometimes attract bugs. And guess who has to clean it all up? Not the passenger who caused it, but the steward trying to beat the clock. Even worse, when food gets into the carpet or upholstery, it can require deep cleaning that delays everything. A simple, "Hey, I had a spill," could make a huge difference, but many guests just walk away like nothing happened. Number 12. Treating the room like a dumpster. Some cabins look like disaster zones by the time the steward walks in. Trash piled on every surface, empty bottles under the bed, food wrappers stuffed into drawers, and dirty clothes draped over furniture. It's not just messy, it's disrespectful. Cruise cabins are small, and when guests treat them like garbage bins, it turns a routine clean into a full-blown rescue mission. Stewards have limited time and tools, and a room left in total chaos doesn't just slow them down, it drains them. Sand in the sheets, wet swimsuits on the carpet, and mystery smells from the closet? It's the kind of scene that makes them wish they had hazard pay. Number 13. Asking for extras without understanding limits. Most cabin stewards are happy to go the extra mile, but some guests push it way too far. They ask for 5 extra pillows, 6 hangers, endless towels, or nightly turn-down service like it's a luxury hotel suite. What they don't realize is that supplies are limited, and stewards have dozens of other cabins to care for. When one guest demands more than their share, it throws everything off. Some even get upset when told no, acting like they're being shortchanged. Behind the scenes, stewards talk about these guests, the ones who ask for everything but tip nothing. Being polite and reasonable, that gets you more than any over-the-top request ever will. Number 14. Leaving the room in total disaster on debarkation day. The cruise is over, the bags are packed, and some guests leave their cabins looking like a tornado hit. Trash everywhere, beds ripped apart, bathrooms soaked, food left out, and personal items abandoned in every corner.
Why?
Because they assume it's their job to clean it. What they don't realize is that stewards have minutes to flip each room for the next round of passengers. When a guest treats their last morning like a free-for-all, it delays everything and leaves the steward scrambling. It's the final impression a guest leaves, and for stewards, it's the worst way to say goodbye.